dust on the dashboard. Radio still stuck on.
Oh, what's going on? What's happening? Another day of work, another end of the day. That's how it works, right? Oh man, it's been a very rainy week so far. Probably like day 3 or maybe even day 4 of rain. And I think the next week and a half it calls for rain even. Not too used to that here in Hawaii. But nice change of pace. I'm mad about it. Well, partly I am because due to it raining, I haven't been able to kayak to work, and so my commute has been a lot longer than it should be if I was kayaking, basically. But it is what it is. I got to kayak on. I kayaked in on Monday. Got over to the other side, put my kayak away, and couldn't find my bicycle. It's been about, let's see, it's been about 2 months since I kayaked last. Just had to get a new permit. I was out of town for a little while, so just various things have kept me from kayaking. So finally kayaking on Monday, get across. My dang bicycle isn't where I left it. Place where you leave them at, there's like 100+ bikes out there. Very few of them are actually locked up. But yeah, mine was gone. I mean, part of me was even like, man, do I even remember what I was riding? Like, what kind of bike did I have? I picked it up used. It's just a little Walmart Mongoose mountain bike. Paid like 50-60 bucks for it. Got me from my kayak to the work, which is about 1.5 miles. But yeah, so my bike got jacked, so now I've got to find me a new mode of transportation. So I don't know. I'd like to get an electric scooter, but getting one of those shipped to Hawaii off of like Amazon or eBay or anything like that seems to be impossible. So I might have to look at like AliExpress and just see if I can get one straight from China to here to Hawaii. Might end up being my only option if I go that route. I don't know. Really don't. I don't know. It'd be kind of fun to have one. I did when I was in San Antonio last year. I used the little bird scooters a few times. That was fun. So I don't know. That or I'll just find me another used bicycle to pick up. Figure that out. I've got a beach cruiser bike at the house that we never ride. I could use it, but I don't know, it's not super comfortable. You look at those bikes, and I thought when we bought them, I was like, oh yeah, this would be super comfortable to ride around the neighborhood and stuff, but I've adjusted the seat, I've adjusted the handlebars. I just can't find a super comfortable riding position with it, so I don't know what the deal is. But yeah, I gotta figure something out, because walking just takes too dang long. Like, it's like a 3-minute bike ride, but it's like a 20-minute walk. I was like, man, how's that work out? Because the other day I walked it, and yeah, it took me like 20 minutes. I was like, what the shit? But oh well, figure it out eventually. I don't know. I mean, right now it keeps raining, so for now I'm driving and stuck in this. Fun times, right? But it is what it is, I guess. Yeah, other than that, just mid of the week's almost done, and then 4th of July is next week, so next week will be a short week. I don't know if we're doing anything yet. I haven't really discussed it much with my wife. I know there's a few different places that will be doing fireworks and all kinds of stuff, but I don't don't know, we're usually not ones for crowds, and then crowds, parking, all that goes into it, and then just, yeah, I don't know. See what happens. Might get out and do something, might not. Figure it out as we go, I guess. Yep, that's really all I've got going on today. I just got this commute ahead of me. Hopefully it's not more than hopefully it's no more than 30 minutes. I had to go to the grocery store after work, so I really don't like having to do that and then turn around and commute, because then it puts me where I don't get home until like 5:30. It's an hour and a half after I get off. Man, it was one of those Lincoln, I think it's like the MKZ, MKX, I don't know, sir. I just basically still think of it as kind of like their town car, but door handles they were weird. They were like up by where the window sill is. Strange. I think it was that, or just their window sills look really weird. I don't know. It's throwing me off. Just trying to figure that out. The things you see while commuting in Hawaii. But yeah. Make this drive. See what happens.